a sexy boy.
Same please.
โอเคครับผม Ice Coffee in a big cup.
Thank you.
Big coffee for him.
Best iced coffee on the island. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Alright, so I have my coffee, I got my haircut. Now I'm gonna go for a little swim. I'm just gonna go to that lighthouse, small little lighthouse behind those two boats. To the left of it there is a wreck, which we're gonna explore. And then I'm just gonna go around the corner and see if I can find some cool shit. Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm not really sure. It's just after 2 p.m. As you can see, a lot of businesses are closed due to pandemic, and it looks like it's going to be like that for a while.
Here I am, I know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Just been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
This fishing boat sank in 1989 after it got hit by a big storm. It's close to the shore, it's quite shallow, and it's really easy to reach. Found this little reef conservation project. It's a frame welded in the shape of a turtle. To those who don't know, Koh Tao means Turtle Island. In about 10-15 years, the frame will be covered in coral. There are a few reef conservation projects around the island.
You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Just been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Just been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
Alright, so the blue spot array wants to play hide and seek. Let's see if we can find him. my crib.
Off like crazy, you press your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy.
This is where all the magic happens.
We were about to make it.
My bathroom. And this is the view I have. Some of the most beautiful sunsets I have witnessed here. Although it's rainy season, as you can see, I'm still sweating. Right now it's around 27 degrees and it feels like 35. This is my best friend Hatari. The thing I like about Hatari, you press a button and it stops blowing. You press another button and it's blowing as hard as it can, and there is no headache. If you want to see how my life looks like on this tropical island, subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna show you the most beautiful beaches and viewpoints this island has.
We were about to make it. We were about to make it. We were about to make it.
Thank you for watching.